welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like. It helps my channel a lot. Today I've got a little bit of a throat issue. It should be good in a couple of days, but I'll talk really low. So as you can see, I've got a picture of my iPhone, and you remember me making the pivot for the fourth wheel? Well, it's done. What I had to do is that there was too little end shake here, and this material was all the way up to here, and when I put the plates back on, it bottomed out and the plates would not close properly, so I had to shave off some more. So what I did was I graved a ring on the end here down as close as I could, and then I used my stones to stone off the remainder of the material and make it match this here. So we're going to have a look at that in the watch setting. Right, here it is. There's the fourth wheel pivot sticking out. And the gentleman who asked me to do this for him for a fourth wheel for a very expensive watch, it fit perfectly after I had redone it. I gotta watch it, don't break it off with my tweezers. He still has to snip it after he gets the faceplate on, but there it is in situ or in place. I did not want to move it. I'm just making this video so he understands that. I did not want to move it, but I can right now just show you very quickly that it does move. See if I can grab a piece of pegwood here. Would be the best thing to use to move this, otherwise you're going to break it. So just gotta very carefully touch it with a piece of pegwood and see how that moves so easily. So it's perfect right now. I also grabbed it and went up and down to make sure the end shake was perfect, and it was impeccable. So this is a job that I've got a couple of videos on. I had to put it back in the lathe and finish it off, but it's in very good condition right now, and it's sticking right out. And all that has to happen now is this has to be snipped off. This has to be snipped off after the face is put on to make sure it's the right height for the seconds hand. So there it is, and you can see it sitting in there, and it is in there really nicely. So there it is. I just wanted to report to you folks out there that the job is finally done. I did make it before, and when I fit it again, it was too tight and it was leaving a gap on both sides here. On this side and this side there was a bit of a gap, so I wanted to make sure that fit perfectly, and now it does. I'm very proud of my work. So when I store this puppy dog, I'm going to put it back in this can that I have here for it, and I'm going to put it back pivot down. This is to allow the gentleman whose watch I'm working on here to make sure he doesn't pull it off the wrong way. So I think I'll put it pivot down anyway, but for now I'll just throw it in the can. There it is, and ship that off. So that was a very difficult job, probably about 10 hours worth of work to get this thing done. Only that because the pivoting of this thing was very complex, so maybe if I do a ton of them it would only take me about 3 hours to do it properly, but it's done. So there you go. So thanks for watching my channel, thanks for watching my videos, and I've got to deliver this, and I'll be back in a few moments with another video.